Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today in this training video, we will learn about document actions in DMS. Although there are several document actions available, but in this session, we will specifically focus on sharing a document by generating an external link with third-party users. Objectives. Objective of this training is to understand following. How is an external access link generated for the document when sharing it with third-party users? How to provide access to an external link? What is the purpose of using it? How they help in DMS working? Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have tenant account and admin role with organization access. In addition to this, the user must have DMS form access. Share document by generating external link. This feature allows users to share a document with users outside your organization by generating an external link. External users can view or access the document without requiring a tenant account. While generating the link, user can specify the access level, such as view only, to control how the document is accessed. Once the link is created, it can be copied and shared directly with the recipients, providing secure and controlled access to the document content. For example, the user shares the employee training guide with a vendor for review by generating an external link. The link is set to view-only access, allowing the vendor to securely access the guide without being able to edit it. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. Click on the Financial Year 2025 folder to view all uploaded documents and subfolders. The user then selects the Employee Training Plan document and clicks the three dots ellipses next to it. These are the document actions available in the DMS. Select Document Access Action from the list. Share Document pop-up will appear on the user's screen, allowing them to select whom the documents should be shared with. The user selects the access level from the drop-down options, which include View Access and No Access. By default, No Access is selected. After selecting the access level, the user clicks the Generate External Link button. An info message then appears on the screen confirming that the link has been generated successfully. Click cross icon to close the message. Click the Copy button to copy the link. An information message will then appear on the screen, confirming that the link has been copied. Click cross icon to close the message. To verify, the user opens a new browser tab, pastes the copied link, and is able to successfully access the document via the generated external link. The user can open the document either by double-clicking on document name or by clicking the three ellipses and selecting the Preview option. The document will then open in a new tab. After reviewing the document, return to the DMS web. If the user wants to remove access later, they can either delete the link by clicking the Delete icon or change the access level from the drop-down menu from View Access to No Access. Currently, I click the Delete button to remove the link and provide confirmation by clicking OK. The link is successfully deleted and removed from the shared document pop-up. Next, click cross icon to close the Share Document pop-up. After deleting the link, navigate to the tab where the link was copied. Refresh the page, and it will show that the shared link is no longer valid, indicating that other users can no longer access it after deletion. So, in this video, we have covered how to share a document with third-party users by generating external link. The remaining actions will be explained in the upcoming videos. Thank you.